Hi guys, I'm Jesse at Strobepro.com, and today I'm showing you our new and improved sandbags. Now I know what you're thinking, sandbags can't really be too exciting, and that might be true, but we have made a couple improvements on them, added some more weight and a couple other features. So let me show you about that. First off, we've reinforced the handle. We've double strapped it, so it's a really heavy duty handle. You don't have to worry about any tearing, anything there. It's really solid. We've also added this heavy duty D-ring on here, which slides across the whole handle. So you can mount this to booms or hang it on a boom as well, which is really nice. And we've also got the carabiner clip, so you can clip it anywhere you want. Really easy to put over stands as well, and I'll show you that in a second. And the biggest thing you're going to notice though is our water bottles. So this is just a way that we can put some added weight into these bags. So everyone's always got water bottles around or laying in the car or whatever. So really simple, they just drop right in there and adds extra weight for you. Now, a little bit of Sandbag 101 for you. The thing that a lot of people do is they take their sandbag, and I'll just take these out for a second here, and get their sand and just start pouring it in the zipper here. Now, you can do that, there's nothing wrong. A much better option though that we do is get some Ziplock heavy-duty freezer bags and fill the sand in those first of all, okay? The reason being is that sandbags, if they're outside, you know, they're gonna get wet if they get rained on, and it kind of just turns to mud in here. They are water resistant to a certain point, but it's not waterproof. So sand in the Ziploc bag is a lifesaver. And you can get sand anywhere. Usually I just go to Home Depot. A $5 bag of play sand will fill probably 25 sandbags. So you've got tons of sand for not very much money there. So once you fill it in there, you're just going to drop the sand into the pocket. And you've got your zippers here as well. Just get that all tucked inside. Zip it up. Flip it around. If you want your water bottles in there, super quick and easy to add that extra weight. And one more. And our sandbag is ready. Let me show you where you typically place that sandbag on two different types of stands. Okay, so I've got a C stand set up here, and just a couple quick basics on sandbag. You never want to put the sandbag on the lowest part of the stand. So we've got 3 different heights on the turtle base here. So I never want to put it down here. The reason being is that the bag will hit the ground, and then it's not too bad on here, but you get play that goes up and down. So you always want the weight to be suspended in the air because it's a lot more secure that way. You can see we're not getting that play and losing the weight power of the actual sandbag. So we could probably get it on the other leg as well, but this one is fine. And you always want a sandbag where the opposite of where you're booming out. So if I had this boom here and let's say I'm going that way, this is the leg I want to have. I don't want to put it on a side because we're still going to get that tipping action on there. But if my weight is out there on the boom, it's not going anywhere. Here I've just got a Strobepro 10-foot air cushion stand. This is typical of the way a lot of stands work. You're going to have the horizontal crossbars in the bottom. So let me show you a little trick. A lot of the time when you have this horizontal, you don't have room to get the sandbag in there. So what I like to do, lower that down first of all. I can drop my sandbag over top, and then I level out my actual stand. So we've got it suspended, it's not on the ground anywhere, which is exactly what we want, and we're suspended really nice. To get it off, because you can see we've kind of created a small trap for it, we just loosen off the stand again, drop it down like that, and then we can pull the bag out really easily. So if you need a lot of extra weight, rather than getting 3 separate sandbags, what you can do is just pick up our Strobepro triple bag here. This one's a little bit different. Instead of putting it along the horizontal piece everywhere, we drop this down, it's all attached. I've got my carabiner clip right here, just to the D-ring, and I just loop that, loop that on there. And now I'm evenly weighted on all three sides of that light stand. All my downforce is directly down, and it's a fantastic way if you want some additional weight on there. One more use for the Strobepro sandbag, we can easily use it as a counterbalance on a boom. Just drop it on there. If you've got an extra knuckle, like the Strobepro ones come with 2 of them and you're not using one, you can use it to prevent it sliding off. Or, you know, I've got my carabiner hook, I can, you know, hook it anywhere as well if I want to. So just one more extra use that we can use the sandbag for. So guys, I realize it's a sandbag. There's not a ton of exciting stuff, but we have added a little bit of innovation here, some more uses for you. So check out the single bag, or if you need extra weight, check out the triple bag. And until next time, I'm Jesse at Strobepro.com.